In algebra, we're going to be working with mathematical expressions, and it's important to know which operations need to be done first. So we use the mnemonic, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally," which tells you that the P for parentheses need to be simplified first in a mathematical expression, followed by the exponents. Then our multiplication and division, very important that it's going to be in order from left to right, whichever comes first, left to right. And finally, addition and subtraction in order from left to right. So let's use that with our first problem. Now notice here we have both a subtraction and division. So, of course, we need to do the division before the subtraction. So 20 divided by 2 is 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5, and then 20 minus 5 is 15. Okay, let's look at the next problem. Exponents are first, so we're going to write 10 minus, now 3 squared, that's 3 times 3, which is 9, plus 1. Now you're going to go in order from left to right, and you're going to do your subtraction first. So 10 minus 9 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Very important, in order from left to right for that addition and subtraction. Now look at this problem. If you said parentheses go first, you're right. So 3 minus 2, that's 1. We're going to do that first. So we're going to rewrite 5 times 1 to the 8th minus 5, because we simplify the parentheses first. Now our exponent is going to come next, and that 8 goes just with that base of 1. So you're going to take 1 to the 8th power, and you know 1 times itself 8 times. It's just 1. Next, we're going to do a multiplication. 5 times 1. 5 times 1 is 5. And finally, we're going to do our subtraction, 5 minus 5, which is 0. In this problem, we're going to treat the numerator and denominator almost as though they were parentheses. And we are going to look at the top and do that exponent first. So 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So the numerator becomes 2 plus 8 over 25 minus 15. Now we're going to treat the numerator, the top, and the bottom separately. So we're going to add 2 plus 8. Kind of like it's a parentheses, and 25 minus 15. There's like an understood parentheses here. So 2 plus 8 is 10, and 25 minus 15 is also 10. And now 10 divided by 10, you know, is 1. Let's learn how to use the graphing calculator to do these problems, the same problems. So our first problem was 10 minus 3 squared plus 1. So we're just going to type it just the way that it is on our paper. And when we hit enter, notice we get the same answer. For the second problem, our calculator does have nice parentheses. When we get to the 8th power, we're going to use the caret symbol. So you can see we get the same answer. That caret symbol, use that for powers, okay? Now remember we talked about this fraction being like 2 parentheses, 1 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator, so that's what we're going to do. Use parentheses and then the division symbol between the numerator and the denominator. And that gives us the same answer. So I hope that really helps to do these problems for you.